Today we're going to be looking at this track tensioner, rebuilding it. A lot of people probably would have took this thing and had somebody professionally do it, but I like trying to do stuff myself. So it's actually been a lot easier than I figured. I have rebuilt cylinders before, I just haven't rebuilt one of these. So all I had to do to get the actual cylinders part out, or the sleeve, whatever you want to call it, is you just take the grease fit plug that we took out the other day out. To loosen the tracks, take it out, it slides all the way out. A lot of times on these cylinders you have a cap on the end you have to pull off, but this one doesn't have that. It just pulls right out, I guess because of the way it's made. If you look in there, I need multiple hands. Alright, oh, there you go. This is an O-ring. This is a white seal. And this is an outer seal. If you didn't catch that, I had to put the flashlight in my mouth. The red one is the O-ring. That's bad. The white one is another seal that's in there. And then the outside is basically it's a clean off seals. Whenever the cylinder sleeve, I don't know the proper terminology for all this. I know how it works and I know how to fix the darn thing. So you pop the outer seal out, you pull your O-rings out, you put the O-ring back in with the new little white piece, and then you put the blue seal back on the outside. There you go. Not that complicated. There's fancy terminology for all of it. You can call it, say it, every how you want to say it. At the end of the day, that's all there is to it. So now we gotta get this seal out. It's raining, so y'all might have a little bit of a hard time hearing me. Got the new seal. Hey, look at it. See what exactly it looks like. Try to get that thing to trying to get it to pop out of there. It ain't wanting to work out like I want it to right now. Come on out of there. There she comes. There she comes. Every time I do these, every one I dig into, here lately, it seems like, I don't know why, but they just shock me how easy these things are to rebuild and how simple they are to be so stout and have so much pressure on them. All they are is a sleeve and some cheap little few cent O-rings, and that's it. That's all there is to them. Okay, we gotta get the red one out. That is thunder, y'all might be hearing. If you can hear it, I don't know if you can hear it. Gotta get this red one out. It's been raining here all day. We're supposed to get anywhere from, I think he said 5 to 8 inches this week of rain. Yes, you heard me right. It is extremely cold outside right now. Papa said that the temperature wasn't at 36 right now, which is kind of worrying me, because I'm hoping it doesn't sleet or snow, because they were not predicting that at all, which would be just about right. That'd be typical. That would be typical for our weathermen around here. I don't know how they are everywhere else, whatever they predict, it's exactly the opposite. Alright, stick a seal here in there. Get it in there nice. Yeah, that other one was shot. This thing has never been rebuilt either. I done found that out just looking at it. The looks of it, I don't think anybody's ever been in this thing till now. There's that seal. There's a little grease in there around on it. That'll help it. Now we're going to put... Tempted to put this in after I put the thing in, but I know I probably shouldn't. Yeah, I probably shouldn't, because that one's end's burred on the end. I'll wind up mess it up if I do. Always have more trouble with these than I do anything. Oh, don't pop out. Please don't pop out. This ain't the proper way to do this, but it's how I'm doing it. A lot of people are probably screaming at the thing right now saying, "You're gonna mess that seal up." Well, you might be right. I need me a little punch, though. Do a little bit more right there on the bottom. That's about the only place I see is right here. There. That looks pretty good there. Pretty good. Alright, now we gotta clean this cylinder off before I put it back in there. Now, I don't want to put no dirt or nothing in there. Clean this thing off good. Any imperfections. This thing is scarred, which I don't know why or how, but it is. I don't like the looks of it, but oh well. There we go. There. Rebuilt. Hopefully. I sure don't want to have to pull these tracks back off after redo all this, but I didn't do nothing wrong. It all went together alright. I guess if it comes back apart again, it'll be a sign that that shaft and a couple scars on that shaft are what the issue really is. Which ain't nothing I can do about it unless we buy a new one, and I really don't want to have to do that, so we'll just try it and see what she does. Hopefully it'll be alright, but it's about all we can do. But judging by this O-ring that was in this thing, or seal, it was shot. They've changed the actual parts that goes in this thing too. Now it's a round O-ring, where this one here was a seal. It was a square seal, but this is that kit that goes for it. They looked up by the serial number, and everything went together like it should. And it looks right, but there you go. That's how you rebuild a hydraulic cylinder tensioner on a New Holland C185. So that project's done. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.